Welcome to the Wonderful Animals channel. In this video, we will learn about the life of a gorilla in full. Did you know that all gorillas share the same blood type and that every gorilla, like humans, has unique fingerprints that identify them? The physiological qualities of monkeys are remarkable and do not leave anyone indifferent. Until recently, only one species of gorilla was considered, with 3 subspecies: western, eastern, and mountain gorillas. Now, however, the following 2 species are being considered, each of which has 2 subspecies that inhabit the tropical and subtropical forests of Africa. Long live the gorilla! Gorillas live in groups of 2 to 30 individuals. And in each of these social groups there is a leader known as the silverback. Habitat depends on the species of gorillas. But some of the places where they live are in tropical Africa, specifically in the Dominican Republic, Rwanda, Cameroon, Gabon, Central African Republic, Guinea, Nigeria, and Uganda. It is a type of herbivorous monkey that lives in the land and lives in the tropical forests of tropical Africa. The genus of gorillas is divided into 2 species, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla, and they are divided into 4 or 5 subspecies. The DNA of gorillas is very similar to that of humans, from 95 to 99% depending on what is listed. And they are the closest living relatives of humans after chimpanzees and bonobos. Gorillas are the largest living primates, reaching a height of between 1.25 to 1.8 meters, and weighing between 100 to 270 kilograms, and the arm extends up to 2.6 meters, depending on the species and sex. They tend to live in troops, with the leader called the silverback. Eastern gorillas are distinguished from western gorillas by their darker fur color and some other slight morphological differences. Gorillas live from 35 to 40 years in the wild. The natural habitat of gorillas covers the tropical or subtropical forests of sub-Saharan Africa. Although their range covers a small percentage of sub-Saharan Africa, gorillas cover a wide range of altitudes. Mountain gorillas live in the Rift Mountain cloud forests of the Albertina-Virunga volcanoes, which range in height from 2,200 to 4,300 meters, 7,200 to 14,100 feet. Lowland gorillas live in dense forests, low swamps and swamps as low as sea level. Western lowland gorillas live in the countries of Central West Africa, and eastern lowland gorillas live in the Democratic Republic of the Congo near its border with Rwanda. It is believed that there are about 316,000 western gorillas in the wild and 5,000 eastern gorillas. Both species are classified as critically endangered by the IUCN. There are many threats to their survival, such as poaching, habitat destruction and disease, that threaten the survival of the species. However, conservation efforts have succeeded in some of the areas in which they live. Gorillas are found in large numbers in the tropical forests of countries in the middle of the African continent, such as Rwanda, Cameroon, and Uganda. Gorillas are generally quiet, but at times they may make 22 different sounds. Each of these sounds has specific meanings. There are sounds that indicate the gorilla is searching for food. And there are sounds that indicate the gorilla is trying to escape from the danger that threatens it, and there are other sounds that the gorilla uses to attract females to mate. Gorillas usually have a low voice, but they begin to pound on their chests and make loud screams when they feel threatened or threatened. Gorilla intelligence. One of the funniest facts about gorillas is that they are characterized by intelligence and a high ability to think, as much as a human being. As it uses sticks to measure the depth of the water before wading inside it, and this indicates the intelligence of the gorilla. One of the strangest facts about gorillas is that they can learn human sign language. We find that the American zoo gorilla, San Francisco American, can understand about 2,000 words of spoken English words, and has the ability to respond through the use of